bought this Magellan COT, ultra compact. We wanted something light and that we could fold up easy. And this is gonna be for the grandkids when we're camping and different things. And fix see how easy it is to put together. And hopefully it goes smooth, so hold on. Comes with a nice little bag. Let's see what it looks like inside. Some legs. Two straight pieces. Looks like a really good fabric. Here's the manual. I'm gonna do what most men don't. I'm gonna open it up and look. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, opened our poles, got them put together, just like regular tent poles. And you're supposed to insert it down the length of the bed surface. A little tough, I imagine get easier as you do it. This gets a little looser material. It's stiff like a new pair of jeans right now.
New pair of jeans ain't like that no more.
No, in the old days it were. Step 2 is take out the frame spreaders and place the end clips of the frame around the side poles in the open section of the fabric. Let's pull this out, push that down. Slide it over it. Kind of stop on it so it doesn't slide but so far. Thing's tight. I ever try that? Yeah, that works. It's comfortable.
Night night, JJ.
Good night. Alright, just got this ultralight cot put together. It wasn't too hard and it is comfortable. It feels very heavy duty. Hardest part probably was once you slide the poles in, getting the end of the pole in the seam to stay in there, and then probably the pressure you have to push down to get these legs pushed out good. But once it's done, it's very stable. So yeah, all in all, I'm impressed. That's the part I was talking about. That's, you have to push down with your body weight on that one. So see how it holds up after some use. Thanks for watching.